I think it's presumptuous for me to suggest who my running mate might be. First, I got to get the nomination. I got a long way to go, and there's a long list of people who would obviously be considered for such a thing. But anyone would have to look at the governor of New Jersey as being a remarkable leader in the Republican Party, and he is, and a man of capacity, capability, and a growing track record of success.
What do you think of the Republicans that are not happy with the slate of candidates that already are in this presidential race for the GOP nomination?
Well, I think we recognize that it's very important we get this right, that we really can't go on with President Obama for 5 more years. And so people are taking a very careful look at each of the candidates, looking at their positions, their record, their experience. And I appreciate the fact that it's taking a lot of careful consideration. You'll see the polls, in my view, go up and down. It's going to be very fluid. In the final week or two, it's going to really narrow down, and people will decide who's the person who will have the best shot of replacing President Obama and keeping America growing and strong. And I think I'm that person.